Hello everyone, my name is Balki. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a faith, fashion, and lifestyle YouTube blogger and vlogger, and you're welcome. So this is a little hotel room tour. I'm currently in Cologne, or Koln as the Germans say, on a little vacation. So this is my bathroom. See, it's quite tiny, but it's really cute. I love it. So yeah, I already have some of my stuff here. My body wash and my toilet bag and all that, and that's the shower. It's really cute. I like it. Yeah, it's tiny and cute. And they have like a little window here. I don't know if it opens up. Oh yeah, it does. Yeah, so yeah, this is my view. Yep, so that's the bathroom, and this is the main room. See, okay, I found it. I was looking for the light switch. So this is it. This is the room. So this is the desk. I have some of my stuff laid out already. Yeah, yep, I brought my own milk, and I brought my own juice and Clorox, very important. Yeah. And then, yeah, just my jacket on the chair. And then they have like a little fridge here, which costs more money. So I'm not going to get any of these. Ooh, my bill going to come back like, you owe us 600 euros, girl. But yeah. And then, yeah, I have my jacket hung up and my hair bonnets and bag. And this is the view again. It's really pretty. Yeah, it's a really sunny day. I love it. Got some of my shoes, my little desk here with makeup stuff. I got me some new makeup stuff. And yeah, I'm excited to try it out. My ring lights and the view again, which is the same but different location. That's the bed. I really like this little lamp thing. I like it. It's pretty. And then they have like a little picture over there. And this is just the outfit I'm going to be wearing later on. And yeah, this is me. Yeah, and this is actually the closet. I have some of my things in there, but not too much. But yeah, socks and yeah. My birthday dress. And yeah, that's about it. It's a quick one. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more vlogs from Cologne, okay? Bye. Hi guys, it's me again. So I decided to show you around the dining area. So this is where the breakfast, we'll be having breakfast and all. And yeah, it's quite a small hotel. So this is what the dining area looks like. Chairs, tables. Yeah, I think he has like 3 rooms for dining. Yep, that's it.